Today we will study about the basic concept of the organic evolutions. The central ideas of biological evolution is that all life on earth share a common ancestor, just as you and your cousin share a common grandmother. Biological evolution, simply put it, is descendant with modifications. Small scale evolution changes in gene frequency in a population from one generation to the next. Basically, offspring display different traits than parents. Large scale evolution, the descendant of different species from a common ancestors over many generations. Look at the mechanism of change and how does change happen. Darwin descent with the modification. Each generation show a slight variation from the prior. Successful variation remain in the gene pool. Unsuccessful variations are removed. A changes in the genetic characteristic of a population over generation. A genetic changes alter protein produced by organisms. Changes in protein affect the physical trait. A group of organisms capable of mating and producing fertile offspring is called as the species. So this is the family tree diagram. You can see the present time 25 million years ago, 15 million ago, 75 million years ago and 10 million ago. Means 100 million ago this family tree of the dinosaur of 100 million years ago and how their modification or the variation takes place in their species. Now we will see. A. Used to show a probably evolutionary relationship. B. Some interpretation. C. Multiple species can evolve from a single ancestor. Many species have become extinct. Changes. Evolution means changes over time. Natural selection versus the artificial selection. Natural selection means the environmental conditions are the selecting agents, and artificial selection means humans are the selecting agents. The theory of evolution by natural selection. Nature chooses the physical trait best fit for survival. The evidence of evolutions is the fossil evidence of living things show the structural changes. Comparative sciences result from common ancestry. The greater the similarity, the closer the evolutionary relationship and the more recent the common ancestor. The geological record, biogeography, Pangea. Fossil formation is the law of superposition. Comparative studies look from similarity between species, cytology, anatomy, development, embryology, biochemistry. So firstly the cytology. Cell with the similar organelles appear in virtually all species. Similarity in cell structure suggests that all organisms may have evolved from a single ancestor. Comparative anatomy. Compare the physical structure of the organism within the different species. That is the homologous structure, analogous structure and the vestigial. Homology means bat wing, mouse forelimb and human arm. Homologous यानी similar. Analogy means like यानी bat wing, butterfly wing and bird wing. यानी बैट विंग भी उड़ने के लिए फ्लाई करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, बटरफ्लाई की विंग भी फ्लाई करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और बर्ड की विंग भी फ्लाई करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. यानी स्ट्रक्चर अब भी अलग है लेकिन क्या है जो फंक्शन है वो सेम है. एंड होमोलॉजी मीन्स द स्ट्रक्चर्स आर लुक लाइक अ सिमिलर. जैसे कि बैट का विंग का स्ट्रक्चर सिमिलर लग रहा है, माउस फोरलिम्ब भी का स्ट्रक्चर भी सिमिलर है एंड ह्यूमन आर्म का भी स्ट्रक्चर सिमिलर है लेकिन फंक्शन अलग अलग है. माउस फोरलिम्ब यूज फॉर अनदर फंक्शन, ह्यूमन आर्म यूज फॉर एंड बैट विंग ऑल्सो यूज फॉर अनदर फंक्शन. These are the embryo resemblance: fish, salamander, chicken, rabbit, and human. They compare the anatomical structure of different species and determine the common ancestry. This is the homologous structure. Structure in different species that are truly similar and develop in the same way. That is the vertebrate forelimb. Here is the diagram of human, whale, cat, and bat. Result from common ancestry mean now be used for different purpose. Analogous structure: similar in function but not structure, gives evolutionary information about the natural environment the organism were exposed to, does not give common ancestry. Example: wing of butterfly, wing of bat. Homology and analogy: